Start.
Okay,
Not, yeah. Okay. So what are you gonna introduce it or what?
and go through the code so you can introduce.
All right, no problem, man. Another day,
Okay.
another day, another chance, another way, another dance. To I'll be discussing to you all about the code, about what we're going over. So you'll be discussing your chapter 3 and 4, or starting chapter 3. So it's pretty much like the starting phases in which we pretty much introduce our chapters and go through all the components that we're gonna be making use of for our chapters. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be going over. So yeah, that's what we have. So
So
yeah,
chapter three
it's pretty
is
much
binding props.
yeah. We're pretty much oh yeah, sorry about that. We're pretty much gonna be introducing props. I mean on the ratings with the use of props and child applications. So that's what we're gonna be using. Let me see. Yeah, that's and yeah, child yeah, we pretty much gonna be making use of child components and props. Use constructor props and super props. Yeah, with the use of with our class called ratings. Then yeah, Ernest's gonna go through the rest, but that's pretty much what we're going over. I'm going over those things. Yeah, yeah. So Ernest, without a further ado, you can go through the code.
Okay. Um. Okay. So basically, in our application, we're gonna be working with the components of ratings.js. This component, we're gonna have this component is gonna be in visual structure. It's just gonna be stars where we are gonna be able to, you know, add ratings in terms of 5 star, 3 star, 2 star, yeah, and so forth. So let me just jump straight into it. So we have our ratings.js. So we import React. We also import use state from React. We import our iOS star. This is what we will create our star icon from React, and then we have our function rating, rating functional components. This component allow users to select a rating from 1 to 5, and we have our constant. We have our constant, which will take two parameters of ratings and set ratings, which will initially use state, or which will initially set at 0. So basically, what this will do is our local state to store a current rating value, which will start from 0, and then our current selected rating, and then set rating will be function used to update our ratings. Um, then we return JSX that defines what appears on the screen, which will be our return button. We return a div of H1 element of rating, which will have like a key pair value and show the rating. Rating will show the rating in our H1 element, and then we have our star one. Star one. Basically, what this will do will say our star one if rating rating is one or more, show a filled star, otherwise empty the other, or otherwise empty and or otherwise show an empty star. Click the star. By clicking the star, you update the rating to one or two or three. So that's what each rating here are going it's just going through. If you click on the first star, it will show one star. If you click on the second star, it will show two-star rating till the end. So basically, we would have yeah, this is the function that updates our star ratings. If you click on the star, it will show you the ratings of the star. Then comes to the end, we export rating so that we can import it in our app.js. Then in our app.js, we go on and import our rating. From rating, we also import a button, from React Bootstrap. Then we have our app function. Initially, we have a constant is valid, which will take a control of boolean a control which will be controlled by booleans true or false. Then we have a return. This would what will display on the screen. We have a return of React Hooks app, and then we import our products, and we also import our ratings. And by the way, product has not changed. Product is still the same product from our previous chapter. So, so still the same product from previous chapter. Rather, what we are doing here is, you see, we added a button here, and we gave it disabled, and then it takes in an argument of it is valid. Remember, if it's valid, it takes in a boolean of false. And then we also import our ratings. We have rating here. We have a rating one, rating two, rating till five, and that's what we have in our front end. So basically, we have five five stars that will be waiting for you to fill in the ratings. Basically that's what our front end will be showing you. Our app.js will just show you our H1 elements, our products which were imported, the button which we can see from here variant danger it will be red. And we are also importing ratings which are the stars in icon forms.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, basically that's Camilo, would you want to show us our front end?
Okay. Hold on. Second. I'll do this now. Yes. Slowly. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the thing just now.
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, yeah, it's loading. It's loading.